Oh no, okay. Hey, guys, I'm doing a slime collection video. And there's a piece of glitter right there. Sorry about that. So, I don't have a lot of slime because I threw most of them away. So yeah, I have like 6 slimes. This one is Flow, except I bought it, so it's Styro Putty. That's so weird. So you can kind of stretch it, but you can't poke it. What's up, dudes? Alright, done with that. Next one is this one, which I also bought. Called Easter Egg Putty. It's cloudy, not clear, not very clear. You can't stretch it. Yeah, there's hair. And it's glittery. It's glittery. Alright, okay. It's supposed to be clear, but it's now just cloudy. Okay. Now onto the pink one. Clear. And it's glittery. So yeah. This little hair doing there. It's a little tiny hair. Right there. Oh. Alright, okay. Next one. This green one. Clear and glittery. Like the Nickelodeon slime. Except it's not glittery. The Nickelodeon slime is not glittery. Next is this one. Which is yellow, clear, and glittery. So yeah. Okay. Oh, and it's a little bit cracked. You can't see it. The egg is cracked. For real though, it's cracked. Next one is gigantic. It's giant. Shoot, okay. I'm running out of batteries. I really need to get a tripod. I might get one for my phone. Except I'm getting a pop socket for my phone. So, yeah. It's white and has glitter in it. Yeah. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.